Secret colon detoxifiers you can do at home. 1. Consume probiotics from yogurt, kimchi, or supplements to balance your gut bacteria. 2. Try a saltwater flush by drinking lukewarm water with sea salt in the morning. 3. Mix apple cider vinegar with honey and water and drink it before meals. 4. Drink aloe vera juice to soothe inflammation and improve bowel movements. 5. Add flax seeds or psyllium husk to your smoothies or cereals for extra fiber. 6. Drink herbal teas such as chamomile, ginger, or peppermint to relax your digestive muscles. 7. Eat more fermented foods such as sauerkraut, kefir, or kombucha to boost your probiotics. 8. Avoid processed foods, refined sugars, alcohol, and caffeine, which can irritate your colon. 9. Exercise regularly to stimulate blood flow and peristalsis in your colon. 10. Manage your stress levels, which can affect your digestion and mood.